So I've got north of 20 years all in medical devices. Experience ranges from large blue chip firms like a couple different businesses in Minnetronix, all the way on the other end to some startups, both in biotech and medical device. And I've been with Minnetronix for nearly 6 years with responsibility for our optics and fluids businesses, along with our Cerevention brand of neural products. Absolutely. So Minnetronix is a 26-year-old contract product development and manufacturing business located in St. Paul, Minnesota. Got a 180,000 square foot facility here, about 500 employees, roughly 2/3 of those are all engineers of some kind. And you can think about us like the launch company. We serve medical device companies across the globe, frankly, and we partner with them all the way through product development. We're starting as early as very early stage product development, and we will stay a partner through their product launch, well into manufacturing, all the way through the manufacturing life and into their Gen 2, 3, and 4 products as those launch. You know, from a Minnetronix view, this really leveraged our strength in optics, where we have dedicated optical engineers, we've got dedicated optical manufacturing facilities, supply chain, all the sorts of things that would support very high-end products like this. And this was a fantastic opportunity for us to partner with Lazurite in the development of ArthroFree, one of the first wireless arthroscopes to be launched in the United States. Very exciting product. And you can imagine the challenges there around get both image quality and latency, so speed, all equivalent to a wired system, which is what's standardly used in standard practice today. Get all of that quality embodied in now a much easier to use wireless system. So you've got to be able to pick up the same image quality you would in a wired system. You've got to be able to do all that processing to get that image quality optimized. And then you send that back to a receiving unit where it can be obviously be displayed on a larger monitor, right? So all of that optical imaging and image processing and transmission of data back to a central unit where it can be displayed and used by the physician. That's the nuts and bolts of the system. The magic that Minnetronix brought in this case was being able to get that image quality equivalent to what you'd find in a wired system and transmitting as quickly as you would find in a wired system. That's not trivial and was able to be accomplished because of the tight partnership between our engineers and Lazurite engineers and the depth of expertise we brought in optics engineering, optical engineering, and image processing. Well, certainly just ease of use, having your first wireless system in the hands of physicians is a pretty big leap forward in terms of how you can manage your operating room and how you can maneuver around a patient. And certainly, I think you've got a discussion with one of the physicians coming up shortly. Can't wait to hear their firsthand experience. Well, our pipeline is huge. So the business is organized around 4 different key technology segments. Optics, very pertinent to this example in our partnership with Lazurite. Fluids, where we run a variety of programs. Examples could include an artificial uterus, actually, that is in development right now. A number of ablation systems to treat anywhere from prostate cancer to treating blood clots. We have an RF or radio frequency business that has got a variety of different systems treating, huge number of different disease states, frankly. A lot of tissue ablation in that space, treating a number of different lesions, including cancer, tumors, and that sort of thing. And then we have a wearables Stim and wearables segment, where controllers for left ventricular assist devices is a great example there. So life-saving technologies. In addition, we have our own brand of products marketed under Cerevention, where we have been able to expand offerings from typical contract design and manufacturing, where a partner might come to us with their own product. They need help developing, they need help manufacturing. We've been able to expand that offering by delivering our own completely finished products. So conceived, designed, developed through FDA and ready to be dropped in the sales bag of a partner in a fully complete form. We've been able to add a brand of products called, it's marketed under Cerevention in this case, that serves that need, and become now the largest end-to-end product development and manufacturing partner available. For us, yes, working with Lazerate, frankly, was a great example of where we show up as the launch company. If you are a med device firm that's got product development, manufacturing, or even looking for fully complete products that can be dropped straight into your sales bag, Minnetronix is the place to be.